gotta remember my controls.
We were building a base up the hill.
That is what we were. Oh yeah, I'm glad you said that, Nathan. Okay. Just gotta remember which hill we were going up.
Oh, I'm right next to it, I think.
Come right over to you.
It has like a bunch of zip line. Yeah, it is this mountain somewhere on this mountain. More YouTube videos.
Yo, boy,
I ran out.
Calling, I gotta answer. Hold on, mom's calling. I gotta answer her phone call.
Yeah, I ran out of videos on YouTube just today. I posted my last one the other day.
Oh, you did that, Daniel?
And then I made a Ready or Not video and it's coming out in like 2 days, something like that.
Hell yeah. We can build like. Oh, that's right. We're building up there to like paraglide around the map.
Nathan, what do you want to eat?
Fine.
Wait, how do I?
Hello?
How do I get
Nathan,
my?
you gotta turn your walkie-talkie on.
I know. I was trying to figure. McChicken, a fry, and a water or a sweet tea.
Okay.
Where's the base at? Is the question.
I wonder if we saved it without the zip line.
No, we saved it. It's like up here. It's over here on the map. We were near the pond.
We were at the top of the base, like top of the map almost.
Yeah,
right?
we were on the pond. Is where we're getting all the wood at. That's what I remember.
Oh my gosh, guys! I just discovered this new energy drink called Rockstar Recovery. It's called Limonade, and dude, it is the most chill tasting flavor I've ever had.
I like OG Monster.
Oh my gosh, Nathan, this isn't even carbonated, dude. No sugar. I don't even like stuff with no sugar, and I am drinking this, and I'm enjoying it, and I'm kind of shocked, dude. It's only 10 calories.
I'm gonna always be a Monster guy, dude. I don't know.
I don't know, man. I'm telling you, I'm not a fan of shit like that. But dude, if you try this, I got a feeling you'd probably shit your pants. Oh yeah.
I'm trying to find where the base was right now.
We lost. I'm telling you, I'm pretty sure we didn't save it. We were in the rush.
We saved it.
I swear you, because I got on and I was trying to find it and I couldn't find it.
Here's the thing, it took us like 2 days to make it. I remember it. I'm looking around. I'm gonna hop on a glider and look around next. We should have it. Oh, my thing's still up.
Right.
We saved it. I remember us saving it. I'm about to hop on a glider.
How you all fucking ditched me? No, dude, Nathan's all the way up there. I'm just walking up trying to find the old base, dude. That's all we're doing. If you guys don't want to play with me, I'll just get off.
We're trying to find the fucking base, man.
Yeah, that's what we're trying to say.
Like,
we're just looking for the base.
Where the base is gone. That we worked on for like the past 2 days.
Bro, if you want to get fucking mean with me, I'm getting off on me.
You're yelling at me,
Tyler,
man.
Yeah, you're the one who started getting mean first, Tyler. Dude, you know what? I wonder if we could mod this and add like AKs and stuff in the game. That'd be pretty badass.
I'm trying to find what the base could possibly be. Like, I know we were right next to the lake.
Oh wow, they added a new physic. We can slide down the side of the mountain in the snow.
It's right around here, dude. Stupid ass fog.
I'm telling you, I don't think we saved the zip lines. I think we saved some of the zip lines, but not all of them.
I can't see through the fog right now.
The zip lines are gone. There should be one right here.
That's what I'm saying. They're gone. We saved it. We didn't save it after we built the zip lines.
They never built the base then. The base started being built around when we got the zip lines.
I know. We were in a rush to get off for some reason. I can't remember why.
We all had work.
Yeah, that's exactly why. Work does that.
I remember saving it.
I thought we saved it. Well, I don't think it really counts unless I save it. So you might have everything in your inventory you had when you saved it. But if I didn't hit that save button, I don't think it saves the map. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So hold up. I'm gonna go ahead and start building some wood planks, I guess, to start putting down to build zip line. Oh, what the hell? It didn't even give me any fucking wood. Oh, she brought us a fish. How kind of you. Oh, dude, and she still has on the badass tracksuit I gave her. Hell yeah. Oh, wait, yeah, take them, tell them to gather logs up and gather logs and put them at the top. Sorry, Nathan. Nathan, did you see what I got?
Well,
Starfield.
I don't know. It seemed too easy. I never even beat it. The game itself just seems too easy. Like all the weapons. All the weapons are overpowered.
It's like the first time it's ever been on sale on Steam, so I couldn't help it.
All the weapons in the game are overpowered, especially earth weapons. Like, I had a pistol that did like 900 damage per shot, and I got it at the very beginning, it kind of ruined the game. And then I had a shotgun that did 12,000 damage, but I couldn't find ammo for it. All the old school earth guns are like overpowered.
Oh wait, does anyone have any zip lines?
Oh.
How do you stick the post down the ground?
You gotta, so you look down at the ground and you gotta left click and it'll change how you place it down. You left click on the mouse. I think that's how you do it. Let me look.
That's good.
Yeah, so when you look down and it's like a circle on the ground, that's you sticking it straight up and down on the ground. I'm actually gonna build this little base camp down here just so we I got a feeling there's gonna be a lot of creepy shit.
Like last time we ran into a worm, and we ran into cannibals in the middle of the night on one of the nights.
Yeah, I think that's when we were building the thing, actually.
It was. I can remember you videoing it.
They did like, I remember because I caught it on video,
Yeah, I
dude.
just posted the video that I just watched them.
Alright, so I got make a fire real quick.
How do you drop the logs?
Yeah.
I gotta use the controls again. It's been so fucking long.
Like play it after you haven't played it for a long time.
Oh shit, I can break that.
You're good, tell about it, it's all good.
I just stepped on the back of it and it broke.
I know, it's just supposed to be like realistic physics, you know what I mean?
I'm probably gonna make some more Ready or Not videos tomorrow or something like that.
Yeah, they got that game on Xbox now.
It's a good game. They have DLCs for it. I might get the DLCs as I beat the game. I'm right there beating it. Like, I got maybe 5 more
Ready or Not.
missions.
What is it called?
Ready or Not. It's a SWAT sim. It's a really good game. I'm near the end of it.
Already heard of it.
It's multiplayer.
Do you have any zip lines, Nathaniel?
I got like 1 or 2 maybe. I know one's loaded.
I'll let you place them down.
I still don't remember where they were.
I think we had one that was just attached to a tree or something.
One of them went like, they all went up the hill, and one of them went sideways up the hill. And I remember I cut a shit ton of logs. And then I had them like all in a big pile, like that over there. I had, what's his face, grabbing them and throwing them in a pile. As I cut them down the hill.
I wonder if we could tell them to gather logs and put them on top of the mountain for us, so that we don't even have to do this.
There's like a little area I think they grabbed them from. I thought the zipline would be fast, I know that.
It will. It'd be really quick if we do the zip line. We were making really good progress too, and it was in a really cool spot. I just can't believe I didn't save it. Hold up, let me go check out this little house over here. Oh, dude, can we build inside the house?
I don't think we can. I don't got a clue.
Wait, where are you exactly putting these logs?
There's a big little pile next to the campfire.
Oh my gosh, guys, you can build inside this house over here.
Wait, what? There's a house over here?
Yeah, you can build inside of it. There's nothing cool but dead bodies, but still, it's pretty neat.
You can build in it?
Yeah, we can turn that into like a hut if we ever need to. That's cool. We'll go grab this golf cart over here, bring it over to us.
I'm gonna grab a bunch of sticks.
For that, Nathaniel.
I'm gonna make a log sled.
Hold on, I'm gonna be right back. Badass stuff.
Huh?
So we got one of the badass golf carts now. Let me know when you start building the zip line, Nathaniel.
Alright, I was gonna make a log, so I'll start building that now.
Try to help you out as much as I can. In my own opinion, when it comes to you putting it, putting it down.
How do I grab that?
Shoot. You hold down C. You look at it. Hold down C.
Let's see. Rotate it. Put one there.
Hold on, wait, go farther with that. Hold on, here, I'll grab it.
I'm seeing if I can even go that far, though.
Oh, you can, dude, you can't. There's a trick to it.
Oh, wait, I don't even have any, do I? Wait. Oh. No, I don't got any. I think Tyler
Well, you guys need the zip line.
Yeah, I think Tyler got the zip line. Oh, wait, guys, let's go to sleep real quick. It's gonna turn dark here in a minute.
It's like midday for me.
It got dark all of a sudden on my screen, like dimmer.
Mine's like extremely bright. Like I'm getting blinded.
Hammer up if you need it.
Oh, it was the clouds. What? It was the clouds going over it.
Need a zip line rope?
Yeah, here, look at my guy. Come here. Look at my dude and put it in my inventory. So you get behind me.
Wait.
Hell yeah. I got 2 of them. 4. Alright, we're good. You want 2? Nathan,
What?
you want 2 zip lines?
No, I don't need them.
Okay.
I'm just gonna get a bunch
you
of.
said you had none.
No, I had no. I'm gonna get a bunch of wood. Use the zip lines
Okay.
to make the big zip line.
Hold up, let me move this one quick. Oh, dude, it's like perfect. Whoever did this one. Whoever did this one, it is perfecto. Oh, Nathan, look at this one. Hey.
Huh?
Oh, dude, it goes pretty damn good too. I won't lie. Gee. Whoever put that pole up here is like perfect. Here.
Alright. I was watching some South Park earlier, dude.
Yeah.
They had one that's about Kenny getting high off cat urine.
Oh, dude, I know. And then the entire town starts doing it, and they ban cats in South Park.
Yeah, it's like called cheesing or something like that they're calling it.
You know, it's fucked up they make fun of it because that was like a real thing. People were really doing that at one point in time.
What's kind of funny though is the dad does it. So the dad's the one who outlaws it, the like lawyer guy.
And he's doing it.
Yeah, he does it and he brings it back. So he steals they steal Kenny's cat, Stan does. And then he finds the cat and does it. And at the end, it's kind of funny is Kenny gets really high off a bunch of flowers at the very end. They're sitting there like, Kenny's high on life next to him, watching him sniff a flower and starts eating them all. Oh, that's somewhat worse. If you run over the logs, sometimes they get picked up inside other things if you run them over right.
Oh, with the basket?
Yeah. You have to run them over right though.
I got one more rope left. I'm gonna see if I can make it go all the way up the rest of the way. You can put the sled, All-Star City Key, you can put the sled on the freaking zip line.
Oh shit.
Oh, Nathan. Off the side.
Are they just rolling down the mountain or are they?
They start to.
I just sent like 9 of them up.
Oh, Jeff, you're wanting to put that post by that tree? What? You're wanting to put that post by that tree? Yeah, that's the one I was using. I was like, whoever put that there was... I did it. Hell yeah, someone put it. I was like thinking like, dang, I think I put that there. Oh, see, that works perfect. It always touches the ground when it goes up this way. Oh no, we can't go up it though, sadly. Alright guys, the first plan of action is once we get this last info I put in, we're building a hut up here, and then we're gonna start building like an area where we can launch our gliders and get the last few people. So Nathan, when you had this old GPU, you never updated the drivers in it or anything?
I did a few times.
Oh, I thought you did. I was about to say, I was like, dude, if you never put game-ready drivers on this, dude, I was like, holy crap. Oh.
I'm thinking I still have the old drivers, is what I'm thinking, on this computer.
On yours?
Yeah, it's like a tad bit laggy sometimes, and it said it can be from, like, you having the old drivers. It says I have to download a DDU, but, like, there's these untrustworthy ones in there, so I really don't want to try and mess with them too much.
Right. But I'm pretty sure all that just saves to the GPU.
No, I can stay
This
on.
is about to come out in October.
What?
Battlefield 6.
Oh yeah, I know, dude. They already have a.
I got the beta. I already got the beta downloaded.
Oh, you do?
I didn't play it yet. It don't start till August 9th.
Bro.
The beta don't start till August 9th. I'm gonna try it though. I was watching a live stream of someone playing it. Looked pretty fucking good.
I got early access to some sort of game.
I'm gonna try the beta on August 9th. If it's good, I might pre-order it.
I don't know, dude. I got a feeling it's gonna be really good.
I like the Battlefield games.
2042 is decent. It's just really crazy.
I really don't like 2042 that much.
It's too crazy for me sometimes. Like,
I
I could
just
be
wanna
playing
use-
and then...
I just don't like the sniper rifle mechanic. That's all I hate, really.
All because of the glint.
Yeah, I like being a sniper in like any game I play. And the
Yeah, a
glint
lot of
ruins
people don't
it.
like... I hear a lot of people complain about it whenever I play. They're like, dude, they're like, that guy just spotted me from... They're like, I don't even have a damn scope on my rifle. You know that, Nathan? You could not have a scope on your rifle and there still would be glint.
Oh no, it's what was it? Someone is still kind of cool though. I like the mechanics in the game. It's a good game.
Speaking of snipers, there was a Nazi sniper back in the day that called him the White Death because he used to camp out in the snow for
He
days.
was Russian.
And oh, he was Russian.
Yeah,
Yeah,
he was
they
Russian.
said that he ate snow. He's eating snow, and he sat there for days. He sat there for days covered in snow. And he was eating the snow.
He ate the snow to cover his breath. That's what he ate.
His breath, yeah, his breath. He's eating snow to cover his breath smoke because his breath is giving it away.
You gotta look
Crazy.
up a YouTuber named Yarnhub. He like tells stories about all that stuff.
I watched a reel on it.
I'm saying like there's a guy that tells war stories named Yarnhub on YouTube. Like he tells a bunch of cool like stuff.
Hey, does anyone got one more zip line?
Nope.
Oh, see if I can make it. Yeah, I think that White Death dude, I think his face was like lopsided before he passed away because he got shot in the face.
What was it? They replaced half his face with what was it? It was bone from his thigh, like what the hell, the pelvis bone.
And though his face still looked funny though, it was like lopsided. Half his face was. He looked like Smoke off of Star Wars.
Oh my gosh, Nathan, all these monsters sitting up are just go. Oh no, wait, some of them are actually staying. Okay.
Hey, what? Oh.
Was he on our side, that Russian, that White Death
Yeah,
dude?
all USSR was on our side in World War II.
Not at first.
Oh yeah, they were Nazi. Not Nazi, they were Axis, there we go.
Oh, they were on the side. They were on the sides of Nazis.
After like
Yeah,
the beginning
at
of the
first.
war, and then they switched sides to Allies.
Because, see, all of a sudden, Germany was...
Russia wasn't crazy like it is today, though, was it? Because Putin.
Oh no, it was crazier.
It was
Stalin,
really crazy.
Stalin like would kill people, like just randomly. Like he'd kill officers out of the middle of nowhere. He was schizophrenic, dude. He was terrible.
And his empire was massive, Tyler.
Wait, so he would kill his soldiers for no reason?
Yep, he'll kill a soldier for if he thinks one of them doesn't even need a reason. Like if he thought they were a spy at all, like he has no proof of it, he would get them executed.
Then
No
you gotta
matter
keep
what.
the walkie-talkie out.
He would execute his soldiers if he ever thought they're a spy or any of his generals. He killed a lot of people for like no reason. Yeah, he was something different. He was crazy.
I won't lie, guys. I've been watching the World War II thing in color on Netflix. It's pretty good.
Yeah, he had a mental illness. He had something like eating way out his brain.
They said they think Putin got some mental illness like that. His brain's getting eaten away.
I can see it.
Hitler had
Because all the shit he done with Ukraine, he wasted all them troops and all that shit on Ukraine and spent all that money.
Hitler had one of what the hell was that? Hitler had what?
That's like something Hitler would do, you know?
Hitler had that illness. He had a brain eating illness too.
And everyone thinks that Putin has that same brain illness because he did that to Ukraine.
Gay.
Wait, they thought Hitler was gay?
So yeah, listen. He liked most of his officers. He liked handsome men to be his officers.
Oh, he got Arabs mostly, or Aryabs, or what the hell they're called, the white and blonde.
No, they weren't. No, you mean Aryan race? No. He liked, like literally, most of his dudes were mainly his officers because he thought they were handsome. Like guys he admired, or the dudes he picked to be his officers.
A lot of people said that he never died, but I think he died. He got shot. Yeah, they put a bullet in his head and they found him.
He killed himself, and then
Oh, he did that?
yeah. So they were raiding his entire village or where the hell he was staying in, and he killed himself. It was either cyanide or he shot himself, one of the two. And then Soviets raided him. They found him. The Soviets found him.
Books and everything.
He had a bullet in the middle of his head.
And he killed his wife and his kids and the dog. He killed the dog. I know he killed the dog. Yeah, all of them died. Who was it? The Italian dude.
No, you know what's fucked up? He was talking to a princess back in the day at that time, and I guess he mailed her a cyanide pill for her to take it. Yeah. It was like his secret true love. It was like his secret love. They loved each other secretly, and no one knew about it. And he was talking to her, writing her letters and shit when the war was going on. And I guess he sent her a cyanide pill for her to kill herself when he did it.
You know who Mussolini is, Tyler?
What?
Mussolini. He was the Italian leader in World War II. What's kind of funny is the way he died. They found him in a woman's dress, sneaking out through a crowd of people, and they hung him and they beat him to death. Him and his wife.
He snuck out with a woman's dress?
Yeah, he wore a woman's dress and snuck out of his building. And they found him. They found him and they started beating him to death. They hung him and started beating him like a piñata.
It's funny.
There's pictures, and they killed his wife too the exact same way. They found them both at the same time.
I don't know, that dude,
Alright guys.
that dude that shot Osama bin Laden. I remember I watched a YouTube video. This YouTuber hung out with the dude for the day that got killed with bin Laden. He actually bought him a truck in the video. But, he was talking about when he first seen Osama, and I forget what he said. He said he said something right when he pulled the trigger. I think he said, "I got you now, you son of a bitch," or something like that, and he pulled the trigger. He said something fucked up to Osama bin Laden when he pulled the trigger. I forget what he said.
He was
In the video he was talking about it.
He had 2 people held captive, Osama, when they found him. He had a bomb vest on.
When they tried killing him, his wife like pulled a gun out and they shot his wife in the head.
No, he used 2 chicks as a human shield, and then his son was in the room too. He had a bomb vest on.
Crazy shit.
I killed his brother too in a stupid way.
Alright guys, where's that camp at? Here. Dude, the next day guys, we're gonna start building up top. We're gonna build a hut, you know, something fully enclosed so we don't freeze. And then we're gonna go find those last 4 pieces and beat this shit. Cause I wanna get that achievement.
What's the achievement?
What? Achievement for beating the game. You tell me you don't want the achievement? It's like one of the best parts of beating the game on Steam is getting those achievements.
I'll try and get the ready or not achievements right now. Dude,
some of them are crazy. Like I played Fallout 3 and like only 3% of like the game people made it out of Vault 101. I was like, wow.
Dude, you gotta see the War Thunder ones. Some of them are like impossible to get, like unless you have millions of hours.
So I believe it. Here guys, come down here and sleep.
Oh shit, it's getting dark.
I'm stuck. Alright, there we go. So I had to get out of that stupid ass thing. I think we could jump, don't we? Yeah.
Ah, motherfucker.
This happened in the video.
It's just not the crazy. Oh wait, it is kind of hard one, ain't it? Where's my fucking shotgun?
Hey,
there it works.
finger monster!
God. Get back, guys! Get back, guys!
Twins!
There's a
Twins!
bunch.
Twins!
There is a bunch of them.
Oh wait! Oh no!
Down one.
Reload!
Oh my god!
I gotta reload.
I'm gonna whoop from them guys, bro. Back up, back up.
Finger monster. Cunt. That's a... Oh shit, how you hit me?
God damn.
Got him.
Get out there, Nathan. There's a bunch of them all around you, dude. Oh, what is up with this fog?
Oh wait, katana. Ah, yeah. Hunt. Now my shotgun reloading.
Katana's pretty OP.
Shot him that.
Oh, he's dead. Hold up that.
Fuck is my shotgun?
I'm gonna save. Oh my god.
Alright, I'm ready to start carving up wherever you guys are, but we gotta wait on Nathan. He's saving, I think.
Yeah, I'm gonna save just in case.
Jago,
What?
I got 6 chicken nuggets over here. Warm still. You want them or I'm gonna throw them away? Or do you want them, Nathan?
I'm
They're
not sure
warm
what Chicken
still.
Nuggets' answer is.
I'll take them, but unless you want them, Nathan, you can have them.
I had two McChickens just now.
And Nathan's like, I'm good.
Over here.
Alright, hold up. Let's harvest these guys real quick and then I'll
You guys want them?
Yeah, hold on, we'll run over there and get them real quick. Let's harvest these guys first.
3, 2, 1.
Go.
Should be like 2 of them on the pond. Oh, it's the polka dot ones.
I know, dude, they give off 2 body armor. Alright, over here.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, they got polka dots on them?
Yeah.
What the hell? Why they got polka dots on them?
There's like different clans of them. Oh, I'm trying to find
don't.
There should be a finger monster. There's one over here.
I think the twinsy guys ran also.
Wait, he's right. No, I killed it. 3, 2, 1. Someone connected. Hey, it's daytime.
Oh, dude, it is. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Alright.
One over here. I should really equip myself.
Alright, oh, run over there, Tyler.
Oh, there's a bunch of stun ammo. Oh, he's running over to our house. Kevin ran away. Molly, Molly, what the hell? Now let's see how long. Oh, a little too long.